Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial: how to turn a photo into paper cutout style art. Open your image and duplicate the background layer. Now go to the filter, select cutout and adjust edges for simple shapes. Use pasteurize to reduce color tone. Now add drop shadows to each color layer to minimize paper stacking. Duplicate layers and slightly move them for 3D paper look. Use bevel and emboss for soft edge highlights. Add textures paper background for realism. Add a shadow manually with soft brushes. Apply curves for clean contrast.